In this video, we'll explore the three most iconic and influential music groups of the 1960s. These bands not only defined the sound of a generation but also left an indelible mark on the music industry. The Beatles. Often hailed as the greatest band of all time, the Beatles revolutionized music with their innovative songwriting, harmonies, and cultural impact. From Help to Abbey Road, their discography is filled with timeless hits. The Rolling Stones. Known for their gritty, bluesy sound and rebellious image, the Rolling Stones became the embodiment of rock and roll. Their songs like Paint It Black and Satisfaction continue to influence musicians today. The Beach Boys. The Beach Boys brought the California sound to the world with their lush harmonies and intricate productions. Albums like Pet Sounds set a new standard for studio recording. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more music insights and tech tutorials. Check my links below.